Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I'll show you how to turn off color inversion mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So now we have our colors inverted and we want to turn it off or to go back to our default settings. What to do? Let's go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and under visibility enhancements we have our menu that we're interested in, color inversion, right here. We can turn it off, and now we have our default colors. Alternatively, if we set up our shortcut here, we can change our mode right now using this little shortcut. But to turn it off for good, we just uncheck this little box, no need to save, back out, and it's now off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.